guys, Renz here once again, and I am back with another hair tutorial and a hair giveaway. So as I was saying, may pinaunlakan tayo na hair on point na for a giveaway because I asked to show you guys. So this is the box that it comes with, and then let's open it up. Okay, so it's green and it's curly green. Okay, cute. Yeah. So let's see what we can do with this wig. So here she is, guys. It's very curly. I like the curls, so I won't be needing to recurl it and restyle it again because maganda na yung curls. I think I can work with this. But I kind of want to do some bangs, so may dimension naman yung harap. And a little backstory, I super love Drag Race and also yung tutorial, not really tutorial, but merong video before, I will link it down below, yung nag-transform ako into a drag queen, which is very hard. At yung nag-aral ako ng makeup ng mga 5 days, I think. So for today, we will be transforming this wig into a drag queen wig for giveaway hair on point. So let's start. First of all, I don't know what to do. But anyway, I will try to make this as big as possible by teasing it. So the trick with synthetic wigs is that you tease it dry. Don't put any product on it because it will fall and it will like be heavy. So yung hairspray and like hair products is you will do it after you tease everything. So first of all, we will section the hair. It doesn't matter kung ano yung sections na ginagawa, but what I do is I section the top, siguro mga 4 sections, because I will be teasing from the bottom up. So that's easier, so walang hair na pupunta sa way mo if you're teasing your hair. So these sections are up, I left this one down, and then let's start teasing. So we will be teasing the hair with a paddle brush. Not with a comb, with a paddle brush first, because it just makes it lighter and yun lang talaga yung way. So just tease it like that. So first section is done, medyo mukha na siyang cotton candy, and then we're moving on to next section and teasing it again. So with this part, sa upper part, you have to pull the hair up and then tease down for more volume. But not tease like up to the root so much because like medyo mahirap siyang i-pull out later because we will style it for the layers but later in the waves. So ngayon, medyo pangit pa siya, mukha siyang cotton candy, but later it will look nice. Parang ano lang yan, parang sa beauty lang yan. Parang sa plastic surgery, pangit ka muna bago ka gumagawa. are done na tease ko na the whole wig except for this front part because gusto ko parang may wave. Parang siyang may wave sa may face para naka-framing naman yung face. So I might cut it but we'll see. Hindi ko pa sure. Kasi I kind of don't like the waves here. So we will use our flat iron on the lower seat para mawala yung waves dito. Para mas pangit siya and mas smooth. But first, we will cut it up to here. There, cut na natin. And then let's see kung paano for yung wave sa harap. It's actually nice. Okay, kind of like it. But first, let's leave this. Put this away, and then let's start smoothing everything up with our round brush. So basically, you'll just smooth the outer part of the wig, hindi yung inside, para to keep the volume of the hair. So parang tatanggalin lang natin kaguluhan na to dito. Kailangan siyang maging smooth, and what's nice about synthetic wigs is that hindi nawawala yung form ng curls because it's basically plastic. So yung curl na nandun kanina, it's still there somewhere here, but mahanap natin siya. Let's see. And then you will see the waves like slowly forming ganyan. So parang susundan mo lang yung wave here. See that compared to here. So, ayan, may na-achieve na tayo. Maganda na siya. Hindi na siya mukhang Hagrid. Hagrid daw. So, trick here is to have a lot of patience para to make it like really smooth but without giving away. Parang pero hindi nawawala yung form.
Eventually.
Ayan na siya. Maganda na siya. But may medyo nag-trim din ako sa ilalim kasi it was too long and it was like one length. Mas maganda sa mga hair na ganito is like medyo layered para lumabas yung mga curls. And I kept this in. Ayan, cute. Because I'm going for like an old Hollywood. An old Hollywood vibe. And then next up, we're gonna do the back. So let's see kung ano namang challenge sa bangs. But I think it's gonna be easier than the whole thing because mas madaling i-sculpt if short hair. I kinda want this wave to be gone. So let's get our flat iron and then start ironing this on the lowest heat setting. Just pull it up and then lightly, very, very lightly iron. Start from the back. Just like that. And then let it cool because it's basically plastic. You're just melting the plastic and then you have to wait till it cools so it stays like that. And then another section. Wait. Pero wait, kailangan talaga ng maraming patience kasi this is not real hair. Yeah, this is Mission's real hair. It's plastic, so medyo kailangan siya ng patience. So for the bangs, back to step 1. Style it. But for this one, we'll do section by section. But for this one, you have to tease it like super close to the stuff para magkaroon siya ng hangin. Dapat after you tease, tumatayo siya mag-isa. That's the trick. For the front, medyo lightly lang natin siya. Because yun yung dapat smooth. So very light. Ayan! See? And then, same as second part, let's sculpt. Really want that to stay, pwede tayo flat. Blow dry. And one more trick para talaga sa gumalaw is to blow dry and hair split. And hindi niya gagalaw. There. You want this as smooth as possible. My straight hair is fine. See the back, medyo hinalo ko siya dun sa back part. And last, there we go. Look. Pero parang feeling ko kulang pa siya ng ganda. Kulang pa siya ng some. Yes. Hair accessories. So I got my hair accessory right here. Parang fit siya dito. So here is our final look. Our final our final look. Final hair. It's very pin up, old Hollywood. Which is like one of my favorite hairstyles. So if you want to win this wig, please do subscribe, hit the subscribe button below, and also follow me on Instagram, Renz Pangilinan, and comment on the photo, our photo, and tag 5 of your friends. That's how you get it. And I will announce the winner at the end of the week. So guys, if you want to win this wig, styled by me. And if you like these kinds of videos, hair tutorials, anything about hair, please do also comment down below. And if hindi pa kayo na-subscribe, and kung gusto nyo sumali sa giveaway, please do hit the subscribe button and nasabi ko na instructions kanina. So, till next time, bye guys!